Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this is school situated in Gola Bazaar. Today we have to solve exercise 2.2 that is given in your book, okay, and related to addition. Okay, so let's without wasting our time come on question that is given in your book. That is first question is add, write the numbers and add. Write the numbers. Write the numbers. Write the numbers and add. Write the numbers and add. Okay. The numbers are like that. 32 plus 12. 32 plus 8, okay, and now you have to write such type that is ones, that is tens, and now we have to arrange that is 32 is 32, 2 is ones and 3 is tens, so 3 tens, 2 ones, and in 8 is 1, so we have to write it on ones column, okay, and now we have to add them. 2 plus 8, we know that when we add 2 and 8 that's make 10, so we have to write here 0 and place 1 carry, okay, and now 1 plus 3 that is 1 carry, 1 plus 3 that is 4, okay, so that's make it 40, okay, and the question number second is 26 plus 4, 26 plus 4, we have to add it and write it, we have to write in numbers and after that we have to add it, okay, so let's cover question. Firstly we have to write it in tens and ones column. In 26 we know that 6 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place, so we have to write 2 in tens column and 6 in ones column, and we know that 4 is ones, so we have to write it in ones column. So now we have to add it 6 4 10 0 1 carry and 2 1 3, okay, that is called regrouping. That means there is 6 plus 4 that is 10, and when it makes 10 we have to write here 0, that is ones place of 10, and we place carry up to the tens place, okay, that is 1. We know that in 10 when we add 6 4 that comes 10, and in 10 0 is ones, okay, and 1 is tens, and 1 is tens. We know that in 10 when we add 6 plus 4 it comes 10, and in 10 0 is ones and 1 is 10. So we have to place here 0 on ones place, and we have to place carry up to the tens place, okay, that is here 1 is carry, okay, and now when we add tens place we have to add it with carry, and 2 plus 1 that is 3, okay, and now the next is that is question number third is 15 plus 5, 15 plus 5, we have to arrange it in tens and ones column, that is 15, in 15 5 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place, so that is 15, and in 5 is ones, so we have to write here 5 5 10, 5 5 10, and you know that 5 5 10 here will be 0 and here will be 1 carry and 1 1 2, that is 20. So we can say that 15 plus 5 makes 20, okay. and the next question is, that is question number 4. That is question number 4. What is it? 23 plus 7. The question number 4 is 23 plus 7. We have to add 7 in 23. We know that 23 plus 7. We have to arrange it in tens and ones column. In 23, 3 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place. And in 7, 7 is ones. So we have to place in arrange in ones column. 7 plus 3, that makes 10. And now we have to place here 1 carry. And 2 1 3. Okay, that is 40. And the next question is, that is question number B, add. Okay, that is add. We have to add vertically. That is question number first is 11 plus 19. 11 plus 19. Firstly, we have to add the ones places. That is 1 and 9. 1 and 9, you know that 1 and 9 makes 10. So here we have to write 0. And here we have to place 1 carry. And now we have to add 10 places. That is 1 plus 1. That is 2. And 1 carry. That makes it 3. Okay. So that is 30. And now the next question. Is, that is question number 2. 16 plus 74. 16 plus 74. Firstly, we have to add the ones. When we add the ones, 6 plus 4 makes 10. I have told you many times that when you make 10 on adding, in 10, 0 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. Okay, so we have to write here. So 6 plus 4 10, and in 10 0 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. So we have to write here 0 in ones column, and we have to put here 1 carry up to the tens column. Okay, so that is. And now we have to add the tens. 7 plus 1, 8 and 1 carry 9. That makes it 90. Okay. And the next question is, that is question number 3rd. That is question number 3rd. 27 plus 43. 27 plus 43. 7 3 10 0 1 carry and 2 4 6 and 1 7 makes it 7, and that is 70. Okay, the next question is, that is question number 4. 49 plus 21. Question number 4 is 49 plus 21. We know that firstly we have to add the ones places. So we have to add 9 and 1, that makes it 10. So here we put here 0, and here we have to place 1 carry. And 4 to 6 and 1 7, that makes it 70. And the next question is, that is question number 5. That is question number 5 is 18 plus 62. 18 plus 62. Firstly, we have to add the ones, and 8 to 10, that makes it 10, and here we have to place here 0 and 1 carry up to the tens place. And 6 1 7 and 1 carry 8. Okay, that is 80. And question number 6 is, that question number 6 is, question number 6 and 7 are, question number 6 is, that is 25 25. 25 and 7 is 32 plus 28. Firstly we have to add the ones. Okay, So 5 plus 5, it makes it can 0, 1 carry, 2 to 4, 1, 5, that makes it 50. And 2, now firstly we have to add the ones, 2, 8, 10, 0, 1 carry, and 3 to 5, 1, 6, 60, that makes it 60. And now the next question is, now we have to solve, that is complete a magic triangles. You have to understand such questions, these questions once again. 11 plus 19, that is 30. 16 plus 74, that is 90. And all this you can see. And all the remaining question you have to solve. Okay. And the next one is complete the magic triangles. Listen carefully how you can complete the magic triangles. Okay. Firstly listen. Then you have to complete the question number C, complete the magic triangle. Complete the magic triangle. Complete a magic triangle. You can see here that there are 4 questions related to magic triangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these triangles okay, and now sorry for that, there are some magic triangles, that is these are magic triangle. How they are magic triangle, I will tell you. Just wait. How they form magic triangle? Okay, there are some numbers: 3, 3, 3. Okay, and in center now 4, 3, 6. Okay, and the next one is 5, 3, 7, and the next is 6, 8, and 16, and here is circle. Okay, listen carefully how you can solve it. Here is given 9. Okay, and here is given 13. From examples that are given already, we can see here that on adding 3 plus 3, 6, 6 and 3, 9. On adding 3 numbers, it comes 9. Okay, in a second example, you can also say that on adding 3 numbers, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 and 6, 13. It comes 13. These are example. And from seeing this example, we have to proceed next 2 questions. Okay. So come on, third question. We know that we have to add 3 numbers and write in center. Okay. So firstly we have to add 5 plus 3. 5, 3, 8, and 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, that is 15. So we have to write in center 15. Okay, in fourth question, this rule doesn't follow because there is 6, there is 8, and there is blank, and there is 16. Okay, so what we have to do here? Listen carefully how we can do it. Okay, so firstly we have to add 6 and 8. Firstly we have to add 6 and 8. 6 and 8, that is 18. And what should be added in 14 to make 16? What should be added to 14? Sorry, what should be added? 6, 8, 14. What should be added to 14 to make 16? Okay, so we have to add in 6, 8, 14, and now we have to subtract 14 from 16. That is 2. So there will be 2. Okay. You can check it. 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet with new video in new topic.